Hi everybody, this is Jill with CordlessShade.com, and I'm here to show you how to assemble your twin pole unit from Coulisse. Take your aluminum tube and your twin pole unit. And this piece should have came right in your box. Snap this right into here. And this slides right into the grooves of your tube. And then you just push it right into place. On your opposite side, you need to put cover on first. So you take this white circular piece and spin it around until you feel it drop into place. And then it should snap. This is your stopper side, and this goes right into the end, the opposite end of your tube. As you can see, there is a bearing pin that's automatically mounted on the control side, but you have to put a gray bearing pin in the opposite side. And these bearing pins have holes in them right here, like you can see in the picture, and they drop right in to the sides, the brackets, and you're going to hear a snap when they go in. Just like that. So they snap right in like that. Now these twin pole systems are right control only, so this has to be on the right in order for it to operate correctly. If you need a left-hand side, we don't carry them currently, so you will have to probably wait a while before we do that. Now right now what we're going to do is we need to attach the control chains to the twin pole control side. So you're going to have an up and a down. And I'm just going to demonstrate it on one of these so you can get the general idea. Now you pull this out as far as you can and hold it with a needle nose pliers, and it's best to get, if you have another person helping you, it's probably the easiest, but then take an awl and poke that piece. There's a clear piece that is inside, and you need that to come out. So holding on to that clear piece, let go of your needle nose pliers, and then grab it on the opposite side so that you're going to hold that in place, and you need to drop this ball right into the bottom right there. And this is a good area to use that needle nose pliers to push that ball in. There we go. And now this little white piece is going to slide right over. You can see there. And then here, this is going to be the pole that you use. Just push that right in there. And then you just use your little circular ball stopper and your needle nose pliers and push that into place. And there's your stopper.